Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download historical and future global climate data for your further use in your research paper and your modeling. So I will show you step by step, very easy and very simple. If you have any comments, please let me know. So what you can do, you will just type world climb. So you will click this one and then you will click just on that and you will click download. So this is the global climate and weather data with the different resolution and also for your research and for your modeling. So if you can just click on historical climate data, so you will see this data is from 1970 to 2000, and this version is published in January 2020, so exactly 5 years ago. So this data have uh, this climate data have minimum, mean and maximum temperature, precipitation, solar radiation, and wind speed. And you will find out this one with indefinite resolution, which start from 30 seconds, which equal 1 kilometer square to 10 minutes, which is 340 square kilometers. So you will find out these data in zip folder. You will extract the file and it will give you a different TIFF files which start like from 1 to 12. 1 stand for January and 2 stand for February and 12 stand for December. So this table you can see 30 second, 2.5 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So if you just, this is as an example, I will just only click on average temperature and I will download this file. So you can download any future data or historical data or current 10 years data, whatever. But one thing should be kept in mind that when you downloading or when you are using these data, so you have to cite these reference in your reference. If you can just come to the historical monthly weather data, so you will find out at the same parameter. It would be starting from 1950 to 2024 with this resolution is start from 2.5 minutes, which is equal to 21 square kilometer to 10 minutes. So these are the table for 10 years, even from 2020 to 2024, and these are for 10 years from which start from 1950 to 2024. So same 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and also these are the, if you can use these, so you will reference those citation. And coming to the future data, so in the future data, what you can do is you will just with 10 year with the 20 years, it will project you of 80 years data, which start from 2021 to 2100, so almost 79 years. And it will give you 30 second, 2.5 minutes, and those with the CMIP6, and the total 23 global climate models. So I already download and I will show you how to process in GIS. So this is the zip folder, so I will just right click on it and I will say extract file here. So I will, okay, and the file would be extracted here. So now what I can do, I will just add those data in my ArcGIS. So this is the file which extracted here. So now what I am going to do, I will add in the ArcGIS once this process complete. So the data is already extracted and I will just add those data. So I will open this file and I will add all. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the month, so which start from 1 until 12. So for a year. This is the average temperature data. So I will add all of these. So this is the data which I downloaded from the global data. So for this, I have to select my locations. Based on my GPS location, I have to download the requested data. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I have to add my stations. So I just add my station here. It will take a little bit time because my computer is very slow. So because for this location I have to download from this world only my location, and at same time I'm adding my study boundary as well. So these two file you need it. One is the station which have the coordinates of the locations, and also one is your case study boundary. So these two file you need it in order to extract the file. So this is my station. So I will just open this file. You will see this. This is only sample shape file which have latitude, longitude. So I just selected the 6 points for my case study, which is eastern region, central region, and western region. So I just and this is my case study. If I can just make it like that. So this is my case study. So now we have to start the extraction. So first of all, I will go to the Arc Toolbox, and from Arc Toolbox, I have to go to Spatial Analysis Tool and Extraction. So here is extraction. Where is extraction? This is the extraction. So I will just click this sample. So in this sample, I will just bring all those raster data which start from the January. So okay, from 9 in the month of, this is the month of September. So I will just add one by one, in all 12 month I will bring here. So I insert all those 12 raster here, and now in the input location raster or point feature, I will just select my stations location which have a GPS point, which is a simple shape file. So I will just select this station file, and also I have to give him a place. So this is the table. I will just write down here the name. So the location is like a sample temperature file. This is only the table. So I will just save. So this is the station, this is sample temperature, and I will just, okay. So it will take some time to process. So now it's processed here. So see this file. So now if I can open this file, and you see this is the file, the coordinate points, and those are the data which downloaded here. So now what I can do is I will just this file. So this file which already created, so what I can do is I will convert this file to the Excel table to Excel. So I will just click this one, and I will bring this file, this table, which is some table, and I will so I will just keep the location. This is the climate data file, and I will just put here the sample temperature table. I will just write down like that. Okay. So this file would be it will give us the Excel file. So now what I can do, I will go to my folder, and in the folder it give me the file name was this one. So this is the file which it gave me. So these are the data extract. So these are the station, and see here it's like starting from 0. This is the 1 2 3. So what we can do, we will organize our data by giving fraction only. Yeah, only this one. And if you can just make like this name as well, like if you can just make it like 1 2 3 like that. So what I can do, I will take this one and I will say make the average, and I will just put here the average temperature. So what I can do, I will just select this one, and now I will make this uh, so the first one I will just make if ID, and I will copy only this portion and I will paste it here, and I will only take this data. So I will copy and I will just paste here. Oh, okay. This is the file. Okay, so this is the same file which I just, yeah, this is the same file. So now this is the average temperature, and I will just save this file, save as, and I will go to my folder. So this is the folder. So I will take this as a table process, like PRO. I will get PRO, and I will select this as a comma delimited, because this CVS file GIS can know this file. So I will just save and I will say yes and yes. So now the file is already saved. So I will close this file. I will just close, don't save. So now I will again, I will just add my file. This is the file. So this file is coming now. If I can just open this file, see, this is the station, this is the coordinates, and these are the average temperature. So this is the file which I needed. So now I will, what I can do, these are my stations. So with this station, I will just join and relate this file. So what I can do, I will just click here and I will say joint and relates. So for this, I will just click if ID in this file. I'm going to bring the file which I already processed, this file. And this is the if ID. Okay, so this is the okay. So now see this file I can open, and now you can see these are the latitude, longitude, and those are the coordinates, and these are the file which combine with this one. So now we will interpolate this one. So now what I can do, again I will go to the spatial analysis tool and I will do interpolation. So I will do this id w for the input feature. I will just this one, I will add this file. So this is the station, and in the z values I will just uh, I will put the average, which the average temperature which I process in the Excel file. So this one, and the output would be somewhere in the climate data. So the output I will just bring here, and the raster file will be mm, average temperature raster. Okay, and here what I can do, I will just go to the environments, and here I will just processing the extend this one, and now and by default I will just say same as a layer of Afghanistan, which this is my boundary, so I will just click this one, and I will come here with the raster analysis. In here again I will give the my what with this one. Let me oh, okay, with this one I will just mask the one which is this Afghanistan. So this is my boundary, so I will make okay, and I will make okay. Okay, so now what I can do, I do not need those file. So what I can do, I will just click this one and this, make a shift in this one, and I will just remove these one. So the only file which I have is this one, this file. So now I can just right click here, and just I will go to the properties, and then what I can do, I classify this by this layer, and classify by yes, by this one. Okay, so the most green one would be the most cold region, and the red one would be the warmest one. So just I will apply this one and see. So these are the central area, and this is the eastern area, and those are the west area is like, because we do not have a rainfall here, and see, this is the map which shows this one. So you can download any data, precipitation data, and also the wind speed, or any data for any year which you want to download. You can download, and you can just explore like that. So thank you, and please subscribe my channel if you like it, and share with other. Thank you.